Hi guys, so I'm going to be showing you how to get cute waves with no heat. Okay, so what you're going to need is a comb, a clip, you could use a big or a small clip depending on how thick your hair is, and hair ties, okay? So first you're going to want to part your hair, and then I have a mirror right here, so that's why I'm going to be looking here a lot. I'm going to start off by taking about 2 inches of hair. And then you're going to want to take and go all the way back. Okay, now you're going to want to take this whole section and either clip it or just tie it to the side. I'm going to go ahead and clip it. So now you're going to want to brush out this piece. Also, you want to make sure your hair is really damp so it doesn't take too long to dry. We're going to go ahead and get started. So you're going to want to braid it like how you normally braid hair. And then you're just going to add pieces to it. Okay. And like I said, it does not have to be perfect because nobody's really going to see this braid. For the second piece, we're going to want to take about 1.5 inches. And then take it all the way back. Okay, after you have the second braid section, you're going to want to clip your hair back. Okay, and then go ahead and start braiding the same way you did the first braid. So section into 3. So because these ones are thinner, I'm going to go ahead and just make two separate braids up here because it would look weird if I had one thick one. So I'll go ahead and part it right down the middle. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to section it into 3 like the normal braid. So we're finally done. The only thing left to do is sleep it off. If you want, you could do this before bed and just go to sleep when you wake up in the morning, take the braids out, and you'll see the end result. If not, you could wait at least 2 hours and just blow dry it a little bit, and you should be getting the same results. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go to sleep, and when I wake up, I'll show you guys how it looks. Bye. Hey guys, so I just woke up and I just finished doing my makeup. I'm going to go ahead and take my braids out so you guys can see how it's going to look. How gorgeous is this look? I love it. And then if you want it to be more of an afro look, you could go ahead and tease it. As you guys may know, the smaller the braids, the curlier your hair will be. Hope you guys like this look. Comment below if you have any other requests on any other hairstyles you want me to film. Love you guys.